Welcome to M1 Concourse. This historic automotive site located in Pontiac, Michigan on the iconic Woodward Avenue is now home to the Preeminent Motorsports experience and events destination, where speed, style, and community come together. The sights, the sounds, the action. From heart-pounding track experiences to world-class festivals, M1 Concourse is where automotive enthusiasts, families, and businesses come to connect and celebrate a shared passion. At the heart of this venue is our M1 circuit, a 1.5-mile road course designed to support a range of vehicles and driving experiences. From high-speed lapping to performance driving instruction, the circuit delivers variety and excitement. Within the circuit lies the 2.5-acre arena. This completely paved area serves as an ideal space for autocross events, prototype testing, drifting, and other dynamic driving activities. M1 proudly hosts 2 signature public festivals each year. The Woodward Dream Festival, featuring classics, hot rods, customs, and other legends from Woodward Avenue cruising, and the adrenaline-filled American Speed Festival, featuring historic and modern race cars, racing legends, concluding with the prestigious Checkered Flag Ball, our premier fundraising gala benefiting the local transportation initiative, M1 Mobility. Looking for the ultimate private motorsports experience? At M1, 255 private garages serve as the foundation for a year-round automotive lifestyle. It's where collectors and enthusiasts bring their dream garages to life, customizing spaces to showcase their cars, host unforgettable events, and connect with fellow enthusiasts. Garage ownership also opens the door to M1's exclusive Motorsports Club, offering members coveted access to the M1 circuit. Want to experience the M1 circuit? Join the M1 CCC. Members receive access to track sessions, opportunities for performance driving instruction by professional race car drivers, 20% off all tickets to our signature events, unique M1 CCC merchandise, and free entry into our monthly Cars and Coffee. Planning something extraordinary? The M1 Event Center provides a dynamic and unforgettable setting for corporate gatherings, private celebrations, and community events of all kinds. With customizable catering, track access, and luxury amenities, it's the perfect place to create lasting memories. In 2025 alone, the Event Center will host over 275 events, welcoming world-class brands like Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, and Aston Martin, as well as weddings, anniversaries, milestone birthdays, bar mitzvahs, and more. Looking ahead to summer 2026, M1 will open the cutting-edge X Center. This state-of-the-art entertainment venue will feature an immersive virtual environment with 8 racing simulators, plus golf and shooting simulators, as well as the Apex Grill restaurant, open 7 days a week for great public dining. Also at the X Center, the all-new electric KTO spec race car delivers thrilling acceleration and precision handling on its own dedicated track. It's the future of motorsports, and you can only experience it here at M1. Join the growing community of over 20,000 automotive enthusiasts. Scroll down below to sign up and be the first to hear about upcoming events, ticket offers, and experiences that only M1 Concourse can deliver.
Let's go for a ride.
From exclusive member benefits, on-track experiences, and unique corporate and social gatherings, M1 is designed for those who live life in the fast lane. M1 Concourse, where performance meets passion. Drive on.